7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry. We will start now. Now the basic things that we will be doing in coordinate geometry is, first one is distance formula and the second is section formula. So distance formula is basically to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. So in a coordinate plane, you have 2 points and the coordinates of a point you already know how it is plotted on the graph. So it is given like this: x1, y1, these are the coordinates of the point A, and x2, y2, these are the coordinates of the point B. So you have one x coordinate and one y coordinate. The meaning of x coordinate is that it gives us the distance from the y-axis. That is, if A is x1, this distance from the y-axis to this point, this is x1. And distance from x-axis to this point is y1. So this is the meaning of the coordinate. So A's coordinates are x1, y1 and B's coordinates are x2, y2. Then what will be the distance between these 2 points? So this is what is given by the distance formula. So we will see the derivation and some applications of distance formula in this exercise. Now first let's find the distance between a point from the origin, that is point 0, 0. The point where x and y axis meet, that is the origin, and P is any point whose coordinates are x and y. That means this distance between y axis and the point P, this is the distance x. Then this distance between P and the x axis, this is y. And you have to find this distance OP. So you can make use of the Pythagoras theorem here, because these are the perpendicular lines. So this is 90 degree. So if you make use of the Pythagoras theorem, the horizontal distance is x and the vertical distance is y. So the hypotenuse will be, by using Pythagoras theorem, you will get square root of x square plus y square. That is, OP square is x square plus y square and OP will be square root of x square plus y square. So distance between any point whose coordinate is x, y from the origin will be square root of x square plus y square. Okay, so if we take any 2 points, P, x1, y1 somewhere here and Q, x2, y2 in the coordinate plane, then how can we find the distance between these 2 points? So for that we have to find certain things first. Now Q's coordinates are x2 and y2. The meaning is this entire distance from origin till this point Q over here, this entire distance is x2 and this entire distance is y2. So here to find the distance between the point PQ, you will first find out what are the perpendicular and what is the base of this right angle triangle PQR. So for that we have just noted down these distances. This is y2, y1 and this is x2 and this is x1. So if you need to find QR, this will be y2 minus y1. And if you need to find PR, it will be x2 minus x1. That is, this entire distance x2 minus this distance will give you the distance that is there in between. Same way, this entire distance y2 minus this y1 will give you this QR. So QR is y2 minus y1 and PR is x2 minus x1. So once you have these 2 lengths, then you can find PQ. Once you have found PR and QR as x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1, you will use Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle PQR. So PQ square will be PR square plus QR square. That will be square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is only the distance formula. If the coordinates of the points P and Q are given to you, then you can find the distance between PQ as this: x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square and square root of that. Find the distance between the following pairs of points 2, 3 and 4, 1. So here P I have taken as 2, 3 and Q I have taken as 4, 1. However, if I change these coordinates as P 4, 1 and Q 2, 3, then also the distance will come same. So first write down the values of x1, y1, x2 and y2. So here x1 is 2, y1 is x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4 when y2 is 1. Then you will write down the distance formula for finding PQ. It is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Then you will substitute these values x2, x1, y2 and y1. So x2 is 4 and x1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 the whole square. Y2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 the whole square. So 2 square plus minus 2 square is also 4. So that is square root of 8, or you can write it as 2 root 2 units. So A, B and minus A, minus B, these are the given points. So x1 is A, y1 is B, x2 is minus A and y2 is minus B. So when you substitute here in the distance formula, you have, so minus A, the whole square, that is 2A the whole square, and minus B, minus 2B the whole square, that is 4A square plus 4B square. So 2 into square root of A square plus B square.